हर बार हो तुमसे ही।
Pyar Ho, I think, is a journey that happened rather quickly. I don't even remember when I submitted the files and when the song is out. I got a call one random day and Sabir Khan was on the other side and he tells me ki, are you still making songs? I said, what kind of a question is that? He said, I'm looking for a song which is hummable by everybody. It should be an easy love ballet. And I said, let's do it. And 2-3 days later, he narrated me the scenes and the script. And I think in 8-9 minutes we got the hook. And then we went ahead, divided the lines, and then laid down the background for the song. And the bed was there. Then we started producing it. They shot it, and then she gave an absolutely new bass to the song. So yeah, it's rather blissful, I'll say. And now when I sit here and I realize the song is out, it's something that I can't believe.
So I have worked with Vishal before, even before Pyar Ho, and I must say that he's highly talented. He has some really nice tunes to his credits, and one day I got a call from him that there is another song. Actually, we were recording quite often those days, and he's like, there's another song that I want you to do. And I was like, okay, I'm only looking forward to it because I really like working with him. And when I heard the song, I thought it was just too beautiful, breezy and happy, romantic. So that brief was enough. I mean, the song itself to the ears was enough for me to understand how should I deliver it. And then I sang it, and everybody in the studio, including himself, liked it, and we were just happy. We had a good time recording this song. It was just getting over too soon. I wanted to sing more and more, and even though he was happy with some takes, I was like, okay, can I do it one more time? And he let me do that as well. So it was pretty easy working with him, and I'm just so happy that whatever we did on the song, it's coming out now, and to people also it's making a lot of sense, and they're loving it. We're receiving great response. I'm just happy to be a part of this beautiful breezy ballad. I think every girl and a boy feels that way. When they hear a good song, they just want to keep humming it all day long. Not just the song, but with another song of Vishal's that I sang, that happened to me. I was singing it for days in a row. That's yet to come out, so you'll know when it's out. But Pyar Ho, you know, whenever you listen to it, when you sing it, it just comes so easy to you. There's no effort there. It's a very simple yet very catchy tune. Anybody can sing it. Anybody can relate to the lyrics. Also written beautifully, of course, by Kumar. And yeah.
People just say it. Nobody is in nobody's mind when they are making a tune. So we are creative people, and we are given a job. And see, as far as Pyar Ho is concerned, I believe whenever you're making a love track, it's there to stay if you hit the right note. And we have tried to keep it simple, and I'm very glad that people are relating to it. And I had the script in mind. I had the narration that I was given by Sabir sir, and I'm very happy that the way it's come out. I'm very glad, very grateful. तुमसे ही मिलकर तो दिल धड़कता है, तुम सांसों जैसे हो ऐसा लगता है। पहली दफा जो होने लगा है, पहले हुआ ना कभी। महसूस दिल ने जो भी किया है, लफ्जों में कह दूं अभी। प्यार हो जब प्यार हो, हर बार हो तुमसे ही। प्यार हो बेशुमार हो, हर बार हो तुमसे ही।
तुम पे रुके तुमसे राह में ख्वाब थी, रोती रही अब तो मुझे जाना कहाँ।
चलूं तो कदमों से मेरे टूट जाए ज़मीन, अब जिंदगी में हो न हो पर एक बात है लाज़मी,
प्यार हो बस प्यार हो, हर बार हो तुमसे, प्यार हो बेशुमार हो, हर बार हो तुमसे। It's a difficult question. Okay, I would like to say the cliched, love is all around you. You know, I'm just lucky to have people who are, you know, near to me, dear to me. They just love me very much, and I love them back. And love is all about that. It's about giving. It's about not expecting much in return, and just being happy is being in love, I feel. Because if you're happy, then you're attracting all these beautiful things around you, and yeah, you can feel love for anything or anyone at any time, right? And it's just a beautiful feeling. You should be always in love. It doesn't have to be your spouse or your girlfriend, boyfriend. It just should be there.
I heard somewhere girls fall for guys who play guitar. That's why I started learning guitar. Yes.
My husband also started playing the guitar because he thought a lot of girls fell for it, you know,
Then
in college.
guitar, nothing happened, so I started learning piano. And then nothing happened, I started learning drums, everything. So I've played all the instruments, nothing has happened, man. So that's just a myth.
But I must say, doesn't he sound so beautiful with the guitar or without the guitar? I think he has a beautiful, soulful
That's so
voice,
sweet.
and he sings in pitch, which is so important nowadays.
That's so sweet. That's so sweet.
Yeah, no, I really like
It is
you know,
singing
all
in-
the aspects that he has.
That's so sweet.
Difficult to say, you know. Every song has its own charm. When I sing a romantic song, I go to some place in my head. I'm imagining these beautiful things, and you know, the loved one and all that. So it gives me a different feeling. And when I'm performing a dancing number, then I'm in that mode. Then I'm in the club and performing in front of so many people. So there's no comparison. And I love all the genres of music because I think I only learn from them, even if it is not my cup of tea. I still listen to those songs like ghazals or classical songs because I have the drive to learn. I have the want to be able to understand where they come from, and I want to adapt all those good things, you know, in me. So I listen to everything.
They've done an incredible job. I must say the chemistry that is coming out of the video, and see, it's a process in Bollywood. You make a song and then the actor has to enact it, and it has to happen like that. So I'm very glad that they have done such a good job. It's been shot so nicely, and hence the people are relating to it because of the beauty that it shows, and the song is also relating. So it's a process that has happened, and I'm very glad that all the things have fell in the right place. They've done an incredible job. I'm very happy.
Music making is as difficult. Every field has its own, you know, difficulties. So that Vishal would be able to answer you better. But as an artist, as a singer, sometimes it takes half an hour, sometimes it takes 6 hours. It all depends on that mood and the atmosphere, and sometimes you just don't want the song to get over, so you just want to sing and keep waiting for that right take. You know it's going to happen, right? And you just you make music basically. You make music for the love of music, and things just happen.
See, the chemistry part I had to be worried about. She's at the epitome of her art, and we know how good she is. So I had laid down the scratch vocals, and she very sweetly after singing came to me and said, Vishal, if you don't mind, can I tell you something? I said, please, can you please sing that word again if you don't mind? I remember. I said, yes, I have to. So I was worried about the chemistry part, but trust me, with her, I believe whatever little work that I've done or whatever little singers I've recorded, everybody is amazing. But I believe she is just out of this world, and she makes me feel that whatever I've created, she delivers that, and probably sometimes more. So yeah, chemistry, I was worried about, and she's done a great job in the songs.
You know, there's enough talent. Even in the earlier interview, I said the same thing. I am just not so happy about the fact that so many remakes are happening, because it's good. Of course, those songs have that kind of, you know, they have that power that they can keep coming back and people will still like them. But where is the opportunity for these people who are highly, incredibly talented, and they're just waiting to get there? And when they're out, you guys do love them. ऐसा नहीं है कि उनका काम आके चला जाता है. आजकल इतने सारे गाने हैं जो नए गाने ही चल रहे हैं. ऐसा नहीं है कि पहले ज़माना और आज का ज़माना, वो जो बातें हैं वो हैं, लेकिन देयर इज़ नो कंपैरिजन. या आज के हिसाब से इतनी भीड़ होने के बावजूद some people just stand out in the crowd and they make their music and they're shining. So they just need that opportunity, and I think people on the bigger levels, they need to just put in a little more faith in them. It's just a matter of time and a little bit faith, and then you'll see magic happening. Remaking is safe. It's good, but it's safe. You have to take risks in life to be able to see that magic which is probably about to happen and you don't even know about it. If you're asking me that, maybe I'd like to sing Yaad Aa Raha Hai Tera Pyar. Yaad aa raha hai tera pyar. Oh, yaad aa raha hai tera pyar. कहाँ हम कहाँ तुम, हुए तुम कहाँ गुम, अभी जा एक बार. ओ याद आ रहा है तेरा प्यार. I love Bapi Dam. I was not imitating. Thank you.